So why train our manufacturing supervisors anyway? Well, manufacturing supervisors, they're responsible for millions of dollars worth of assets, labor, and materials. They're responsible for the safety of our employees, the quality of our products, and the on-time delivery to our customers. We expect them to lower factory costs and embrace new processes and technologies in support of our business growth. So the question is whether or not they're adequately trained to handle this level of responsibility or not. Let's compare our manufacturing supervisor role to that of other professions. Typically, what we see outside of the manufacturing world is a direct correlation between the training requirements and the knowledge expectations that we have. Doctors and pilots have a high level of responsibility, and we see a direct correlation with the amount of training that they receive. Financial fund managers and teachers, they're on the higher side of this scale. And we expect our CNC machinists and electricians to be trained professionals too. Personal trainers and truck drivers, they receive some level of training, and we expect them to practice safety in the gym and out on the road. But where do manufacturing supervisors fall on this scale? Well, they have a high level of responsibility, and we expect a lot out of them in terms of business deliverables. So I think responsibility-wise, they're close to the financial managers and the teachers, in which case we should expect them to be manufacturing experts, right? But in my experience, I think they're actually way undertrained. Over my 35-year career, I've seen a steady decline in the training that manufacturing supervisors receive. And I know that nowadays many manufacturing companies have abandoned manufacturing leadership training altogether. And I get it. Training's expensive, inconvenient, and its effectiveness is often questionable. From my past experience, training often required a high-priced consultant to come in on site, and then all of my supervisors would need to arrange their schedules to come to day shift for the training. And then, of course, nobody was running my factory. Meanwhile, in the class, there'd be constant distractions to keep customers and employees happy. And then a week after the training, everybody would forget the material anyway. So I think conducting week-long training sessions is sometimes like putting a giant log on a small fire, and it just doesn't catch. But what if there's training that was affordable at only $5 per training session? Flexible in that it's available 24/7, and effective in that it's designed specifically for manufacturing supervisors, and it's designed as a slow drip training process that's delivered in small increments every week, so it allows the students to absorb the material effectively over time. Have your manufacturing supervisors been trained to a level that reflects their level of responsibility and accountability? If not, please explore what Tools for the Trenches has to offer, which is an effective, affordable, and flexible method to train your supervisors. If your supervisors are manufacturing experts, then your factory has an edge.